Tuhise Columbus nagira ngo yibo mugenzi Deus Toroga akafara kuma rwenda 92 yamusugera bujunani zibo gukorebera ibintu bye byona bitije yagiremo kuteganisibwa yitiro mbo bushoboruzi babushenyi tibamuyamba niko kwiciro mu State House abamuhumurize
family yone batabantu banje nabaramu banje abakusirika abana mu bagere batatu.
Is it your first time?
I was here even yesterday with other people.
At least, what did you do?
You yourself, I saw this. But of course you could not take what you were saying.
I'm not saying take it. Did you open any case? Seeing you here actually will help us so that we jointly work together and get a solution.
Nibende bintu byanjye bikamubona bakatunkasigaza nawo wakati n'ahanda yini umukaba kambingayo tinkusay Ejiyanjye bakishenya bakora muri bintu kimwe cyona babiyemo kimwe kinyine.
Chairman LC3 wa Shaka Division hajemeye kikorwa ecyakozerwa hamufakazugu.
Tangu ikizimbeji nyonko mutinga kitambo. Abana bokwata ko mushenye guteka n'ikiti cy'ipurime. Bakasa polisi bari polisi yewe ine mshango yokanye mshango yakiya kuri
tia yangwa yaza bushenyi tia yangwa yazo waradisi tia yangwa so yakusaba akachika kitaka aka state
tukabanza twasindika intelligence officer witu yatugambira ngo namazima so elizoba twiza twagezaho mushenyi bagwiyaho
Omugenzi nagamba kuba yafire rukumo rwenda 92 bitakasigo mukazi wogwe Columbus Tuhise no mwana wa mu yabirazire nawe hamwe n'abasigazi babiri yabo mugenzi yabire yazire ubwo hata bari mu kucenjana mukishe bogwe Gashoka Ben Muhoza.